If we click and drag to the left, we can move it up. To the right, we can move it down. Okay, cool. The second one is the scale, and the same goes here. We can increase the scale like this. We can zoom, and we can decrease it like this. Okay, change it whatever you want. And here is the rotation, the same. We can rotate it like this or like this, for example like this. And here is the anchor point. It's like changing the anchor point. Okay, and here is the opacity. The opacity, we can change the opacity to be something like this, or to be full like this, however you want it.